We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to what analysis, in my last video, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get because at that times we mentioned about the different possibility, and even we mentioned if the price give us one more drop, it can give us better opportunity to look for buy, and we mentioned how deep it can go. Anyway, the only way to look for buy having from here, and whoever get the trade, they should move their stop loss to break even. And even if anyone get the trade by having entry above this, they should take out the trade after they see this one. That's mean they shouldn't be in the trade. Anyway, we want to see what's the next, and we will mention if we get any trade, we have been looking for the breakout of the previous stop, which is almost 0.0048. Anyway, the price couldn't take, and we want to see what's the next. First of all, as we can see, the price broke the previous stop. We want to see what we have based on indicators. We have a divergence, and as well here. Then technically we can expect this one to give us what deeper move, and we can look for this. All right, if we refer to technical analysis, we're looking for running flat right now. That means we can expect this one drop some more, then we can look for buy. All right, anyway, how deep it can go, I mean, we cannot confirm unless we put our FIP, which we won't do it here. The only thing is, as long as if this one drop, as long as haven't broke the previous low, we can put this one as a running flat. Then any buy from there we can look for. And right now we cannot look for any buy because what we have here, it doesn't give us any trade unless we put our entry above this. But having entry above the top, we should know where we are going to buy at the top already. All right, what I want to highlight here, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move. That's why I was keep mentioning we're looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. But if we want to look for buy at the top, it's not a really good idea. We should buy at the lowest price, not at the top. That's why if we want to look for buy, let this one drop some more. If we get the running flat, then if we get any trades at all, we can look for buy as a short-term trade. Again, it doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. It can. The only thing is how we can look for buy in terms of the risk and reward. And as long as the price haven't broke the previous stop, any trade within this move, we have to be really careful. We consider that as a short-term trade. Okay, even if we have a divergence here. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. We have been looking for the reversal. The only thing is we want to see whether this is the start of the reversal or we can expect the price to consolidate here for longer time. And if I move to forward chart, the only thing is we should be aware about this flat. That's why if we want to buy based on 1 hour chart, as long as the price haven't broke the previous stop, we need to be really careful because technically we have a flat here, but we don't have any information about the price to drop, about the price to reverse. That's why we cannot confirm right now. That means still we can look for buy, but as I explained based on 1 hour chart, I don't need to explain again. And we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is maybe we can look for this one as a running flat. And I need to highlight here, whoever get the trade within this move, if they keep the trade, they should book some profit. Maybe they move their stop loss somewhere around this correction. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.